Hi everyone! To finish off our numbers to 20 unit, we're going to work some more on comparing numbers. Remember that comparing means that you're thinking about which number is bigger, and that word is greater. Say greater. And which number is smaller or less. Say less. So if a number is bigger, it's greater. And if a number is smaller, it's less. We're going to be talking to some people that you are going to recognize. They're going to count some objects for us, and then we're going to compare who has greater or less. First, we're going to talk to Miss Shelby. Say hi, Miss Shelby.
Hi, kindergarten. This is Miss Shelby, and this is my friend Logan. We are sitting in the park doing a craft project with rocks. So we decided we'd like to count these rocks. Would you count with us? My friend Logan and I will take turns counting the rocks. Here we go. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11,
12,
13,
14,
15,
16,
17,
18,
19.
20.
Yay! See you later!
See you later, Miss Shelby and Logan. Miss Shelby had 20 rocks. How many rocks did Miss Shelby have? Now we're going to go to Miss Susanna and her daughter, and they're counting shells. Miss Susanna, how many shells do you have?
We're going to count shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thanks, Miss Susanna. I heard that Miss Susanna has 11 shells. How many rocks did Miss Shelby have? And how many shells did Miss Susanna have? Let's compare those numbers and look at my whiteboard. Top it says comparing numbers. This says rocks and shells. Miss Shelby had 20 rocks. How do you write the number 20? Practice writing the number 20 with your finger. 2, 0. Good. Miss Susanna had 11 shells. Practice writing 11 with your finger. Just 2 ones. Who had more, Miss Shelby or Susanna? Right. 20 is more than 11. Can you repeat after me and say 20 is greater than 11? "20 is greater than 11. Repeat after me. 11 is less than 20. 11 is less than 20. Let's see who we're going to talk to next. Nimbus loves crinkle balls. How many crinkle balls do you have, Nimbus? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nimbus has 8 crinkle balls. Right? Minerva's ready to count her toys. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minerva has 9 toys. Did you guys like talking to both of my cats, Nimbus and Minerva? How many balls did Nimbus have? How many toys did Minerva have? Let's compare those numbers on my whiteboard. Nimbus had 8 balls, and Minerva had 9 toys. Let's write that down. 8. Can you practice writing 8 with your finger? And Minerva had 9. Can you practice writing 9 with your finger? Around and down. Great. Which cat had more? Nimbus or Minerva? Minerva had more. Repeat after me. 9 is greater than 8. 9 is greater than 8. Repeat after me. 8 is less than 9. 8 is less than 9. Hey, Miss Bush, what are you going to count for us?
Miss Bush is going to count some of her records. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whew, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many records do I have in my pile? 14, woo! Bye.
Thanks, Miss Bush. Miss Bush has 14 records. But I think Miss Bush has someone else in her house who wants to do some counting. Who do you think could be in Miss Bush's house that also wants to count? Let's see.
Okay, Mr. Huck, we have to count your toys. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, come back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hucky has 10 toys. Right, Huck?
Thanks, Miss Bush and Huck, for counting for us. How many records did Miss Bush have? How many toys did Mr. Huck have? Let's compare who had more. Do you know who had more? Let's look at my whiteboard. Miss Bush had 14 records. Practice writing the number 14. 1, 4. Good. Huck had 10 toys. Practice writing the number 10 with your finger. 1, 0. Who had more? Yeah, 14 is more. Repeat after me. 14 is greater than 10. 14 is greater than 10. Repeat after me. 10 is less than 14. 10 is less than 14. Next, we're going to hear from Mr. Marcy. Mr. Marcy, is there something you want to say to the kindergartners?
Hi, kindergartners. I miss you all. Miss Cummings was telling me that you are all working on counting, so I figured I would try to help you. So I'm going to help make a video to work on counting with you. So I decided to choose some tennis balls since I'm the PE teacher. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here's a picture of all of them. Alright, well, hope you keep working hard, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.
Thanks, Mr. Marcy. See you soon. Our last person that we're going to talk to is Teacher Paul. Teacher Paul, what do you have to count for us?
So, I have a dozen eggs, and I need your help to count how many eggs I have in here. How much is a dozen? Let's see. Alright, you ready? Let's go. So I have, okay, let's get this out. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I have 12 eggs. Oh, well, now that I know that I have 12 eggs, I'm just gonna get straight to it and have some lunch. Thanks for helping me count up to 12, friends. See you next time.
How many tennis balls did Mr. Marcy have? Yeah, 18. Can you practice writing 18 with your finger? 1, 8. How many eggs did Teacher Paul have? It's also called a dozen. 12. Can you practice writing 12 with your finger? 1, 2. Who had more items, Mr. Marcy or Teacher Paul? 18 was more. Repeat after me. 18 is greater than 12. 18 is greater than 12. Repeat after me. 12 is less than 18. 12 is less than 18. We got to see so many teachers that we know and love today. Can you all say thank you? Thank you, all of the teachers, for counting with us. Next week, we're going to start a new math unit. It's going to be called Decomposing Numbers to 20. So it's going to be in a brand new folder, in the math folder, with all new lessons in it. So click on that new Unit 9 folder starting on Monday. You did so great learning your numbers from 11 to 20 and comparing your numbers. Remember, comparing means we're talking about which number is greater and which number is less. Have a good weekend, and I will see you next week for more math. Bye.